Hello, welcome to our latest money market update. My name is David Sturm. I'm a local agent right here in the Bonney Lake market. I live here myself, so I can help you navigate the whole crisis, or the whole area. But you want to get the facts. If you're thinking about moving to Tehaleh, you're thinking about moving to Bonney Lake, or really anywhere, get the facts from a local agent. If you don't use me, there's plenty of others around here in Tehaleh you can use. But I'd love to be your resource for all things real estate. And please call the number below. We'll set up a time to chat. We'll meet you down at Cafe D'Arte down at the Post and talk about new construction, resales, the history of Tehaleh, the growth, what's happening here, the new roads, the new fire station, the new retail areas, Glacier Point, all that kind of thing. I can make sense of all that. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't checked out my YouTube channel, you're probably watching me on YouTube, but there's a whole channel that I have, and it's right here at Sturm Property Group, right there on YouTube. Just search it out. There's all kinds of playlists on there, what it's like living here, some insider knowledge, really fun, informative videos I think you'll find very helpful, and some of my client testimonials. So please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll keep you in the know of what's going on here in Tehaleh and the general Bonney Lake market. So what I've been saying, inventory is low. We had 150 homes on the market this time last year. There's just 100 now. There's been 13 price reductions. So, if the home's priced right, it's going to sell. We're not seeing huge price reductions. Out of the 100, there's only a couple handful left that haven't really adjusted to the new market. So home prices are where they are, and I'll show those to you as well. But keep in mind that the market's very unique and very geocentric within Tehaleh. There's Trilogy at Tehaleh now, and now there's Verterra at Tehaleh. Verterra is over in Glacier Point, totally separate community from Trilogy. But know that the amount of homes that are available for a 55 plus community here in Tehaleh is off the charts. There are more homes for sale in the 55 plus area of Tehaleh than there ever have been. Even the builders are putting their homes on the market. Normally you'd see Shea, the builder, would never put their homes on the MLS. So there's a reason for that. I can help explain that. Just give me a call, and I'm glad to kind of explain all that. There's many other things as well. So know that there's 11 Trilogy homes that are resales that are for sale, and there's 8 new Shea Verterra community homes available on the other side of Glacier Point. And actually, let me bring up a map of that so you can get a good idea of what it actually is looking like. So this is Trilogy and Verterra here in Tehaleh, and you can see the homes that are for sale in the Trilogy area. This is a 55 and older community. There's a cluster of homes here in the mid 7s, mid 6s, all the way up to pushing $900,000, close to the clubhouse, which is right here. I can explain why all these are on the market. Give me a ring. I'll give you an idea what's going on here in the community. But there are a few other homes in the newer areas. Matter of fact, I've got a listing here for $773. Got a seller here that's interested in making a deal. So if you'd like a tour of this house, I'd be glad to show it to you. But that's the Trilogy area. And I think there's one down here. This is one of the Shea homes that hasn't sold yet. But then across the way, we have Verterra at Trilogy, which is in the New Glacier Point area. We can see 9 homes here from that low 8s, mid 8s, mid 7s, low 7s, mid 7s. And all these homes, just keep in mind, they're new construction homes. So this is just the home. I believe these include the lot premium, but maybe some upgrades, maybe not. But you will have to pay for landscaping, and if you decide to put a fence. So you got to add about $20,000, $30,000 to these home prices over here if you're thinking about the Verterra. But a nice community, help you navigate that if you'd like. Glad to show you around over there. It's a very interesting community. So to get to some graphs, what's going on in the market? So here's the data. So we've got this is the Bonney Lake local market update. The average sales price is $683,000. That's down from 4% just a year ago. Inventory is down 40%. You'll see this as a common thread as we compare Bonney Lake to Pierce County to King County. Month supply is just 1.2 7 months of inventory. A balanced market is between 3 and 4, but the percent to list is over 100%. So if the home is priced properly, people are getting the asking price for their home. You'll see this play out as we go into Pierce County in general. Same story. Average price is $597,000, down 3.8% from a year ago. Inventory is down 36%. Month supply is just 1.7 again, and they're getting 100% of asking price here in this market too. And we're going to find the same thing, but there's one glaring difference. If we go to King County, just north of us, a world of difference with average sales price. Average sales price, $1.12 million. That's the average, down 4.2%. Inventory is down 31%. Month supply is just 1.8. And we see that the percent to list is still 100%. So if the home's priced properly, they're going to be getting they're going to be getting what you're asking for the home. So make sure you have a local agent help you navigate all that kind of thing. I want to welcome Becky. Becky's got our Monday Market Update Mortgage Minute. She's a great resource. So if you're thinking about moving here, local lenders are always an advantage. But like I said, just like with real estate agents, find a real estate agent you know, like, and trust, and go with them. Find a lender that you know, like, and trust. Just because it's Chase or your bank, make sure the lending part of it, you know that person. They're going to pick up the phone on the weekend and be responsive to you and give you a good rate. Banks are climbing all over each other. Even though rates are high, there's still negotiation room there with your rate. So here's Becky with this week's Mortgage Minute Update, and her contact information will be in the description below.
If you own a home right now, there's one thing you really need to understand. That's how much equity you have. I'm willing to bet you have a whole lot more of it than you realize. Take a look at this. Right now, Americans are sitting on a tremendous amount of equity. About 2/3 of homeowners have either totally paid off their home loan or have at least 50% equity. That much equity is a huge deal because it can help you with your next move, especially if you're worried about affordability. If you sell, it's probably enough to cover some, if not all, of your down payment on your next home. You may even have enough to buy an investment property that can be a great long-term plan to help you build wealth in real estate. Want to find out how much you have and a little bit more about how you can use it? I'm your person. I've helped a ton of homeowners just like you. Let's connect today.
Thanks, Becky. She's also helped some of my clients, and I really appreciate her help navigating the local market here, especially if you're doing new construction. You got to get a new construction lender that knows what they're doing with new construction. World of difference between resale mortgage loans and new construction mortgage loans. Make sure you ask the right questions. There's a little tidbit for you. Please reach out. Glad to have a conversation with you if you're thinking about moving here. I'll send out the Land Above. It's a magazine that's put out by local residents to live here. Really good insider information, some good information about local businesses and all things to do, things to see and do in the area. And my magazine's coming out again, so please reach out if you'd like a copy of that. Glad to stay connected with you and be a resource for you if you're thinking about moving, buying, or selling in the Tehaleh market. All right, so until next week, I'll see you when you get here.